And welcome back into the news. And wow, we can take a breather now. That storm has gone by. The worst is out of the picture now. That's good news. My power's still off, but the good folks at Golden Valley are working real hard. We appreciate their efforts. We'll talk more about what's coming up this weekend in just a little bit. Here's our photograph for tonight. This one's sent in by Barbara Pacheco, and you can see it's sun through the trees. And if you have a photograph to share, by all means, send it to Mike Schultz at KTVF11.com. Well, once again, a reminder, we do have more Fab Photo calendars out there for free. You can pick one up at places like, well, Pollen Environmental over on Van Horn. And again, there are lots of great photographs that you folks have sent in. And again, they are free. How about that? Here's your numbers right now at the airport. 28 degrees. It's gone down quite a bit because the high was 37 at one time. The low last night, 10 degrees before the warm air moved in. 45 in 1976, 37 below in 1956. Our sunrise at 9:25 and sunset 3:47. And the winds are still gusting to 20 miles per hour. Our latest satellite and radar, as you can see, a lot of strong flow still coming out of the northwest, but all of the precipitation is just about past the Fairbanks area. And we're going to get clear skies or clearing skies behind that before another system comes in from the west, but not nearly as strong. So we're not looking too much out of that system. Rain across southeast Alaska. Just mainly cloudy skies up and down the west coast, some snow around Barrow, and partly cloudy skies at Fort Yukon. Lower 48 weather tonight. They're getting ready for a big winter storm there over the Pacific Northwest. A little rain falling across the Gulf Coast states today. On the satellite radar, you can see why. A lot of moisture coming up off the Gulf of Mexico. And then we have another system, like I said, moving in across the northwest, all being driven by the jet stream, as you can see, dropping way down to the south, bringing all that cold air in from Canada. In converse reaction, there's rain and wind expected over the eastern half of the lower 48. Back to Alaska for tomorrow, snow showers for Barrow and Nome, mostly cloudy skies at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at mainly increasing clouds with snow showers possible by evening at Healy, Delta, and Fairbanks, while over the southeastern sections, mostly sunny skies at Juneau, and partly cloudy for Ketchikan. Out to the southwest, it looks like a mixed bag of weather. Snow likely in Bethel, showers possible for Kodiak, and a few clouds at Kodiak, or Colby, I should say, and sunshine expected in the Anchorage Bowl with partly cloudy skies at Homer and also in the Anchorage area. And as far as our kids' weather, once again, we're talking with the kids this week from University Park Elementary School. But tonight, let's hear from the teacher.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Gray, and this is my third grade class here at University Park Elementary School, and we have a weather fact to share with you. Class, did you know that lightning is really hot? In fact, the temperature is close to 60,000 degrees with each bolt, or 6 times the surface on the sun.
And as always, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring Kids Weather. Hey, our road conditions, what can we say? It's very, very bad news if you're heading out on the Steves Highway, impassable from milepost 80 to 114, and otherwise very difficult driving conditions everywhere else you look. Keep that in mind if you're heading out tonight or tomorrow. All right, our forecast for tonight, snow showers and winds diminishing, turning colder, 5 degrees for the overnight low compared to 43 at one time last night. 14 for the high tomorrow with much colder and snow showers by evening. And the 5-day outlook, as you can see here, looking at snow shower activity off and on through the 5-day period. Daytime highs will start falling down to normal temperatures for this time of year. The same thing can be said for the overnight lows, dropping down to the minus figures by Saturday night, and then rebounding a little bit to the 0 mark by Tuesday and Wednesday. Wow, what a storm.